Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Amazon A to Z app. First, download the app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log in securely using your Amazon employee credentials. The app is designed for easy access, typically taking less than 30 seconds to set up. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your work schedule and any urgent notifications. The Amazon A to Z app makes managing your work schedule incredibly simple. You can easily view all your upcoming shifts and work hours at a glance, ensuring you're always informed. Need time off? You can submit requests for vacation, personal time, or unpaid leave directly through the app, often with just a few taps. Plus, it's easy to check your current time off balances, like your available 40 hours of paid time off, helping you plan effectively. Understanding your pay and benefits is crucial, and the A to Z app provides all the necessary tools. You can securely view your detailed pay stubs and earnings history, typically updated within 24 hours of payday. The app also offers comprehensive information about your benefits, from health insurance plans to retirement savings. Furthermore, you can easily update your direct deposit information, ensuring your earnings go to the correct account with minimal effort. Staying connected and informed is effortless with the Amazon A to Z app. You'll receive important company announcements and updates directly, keeping you in the loop about policy changes or operational news. The app also provides access to a wealth of internal resources and training materials, helping you grow professionally. If you ever need assistance, you can easily contact HR or support through the app, typically receiving a response within one business day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.